everything
Gotta get the
slowly.
other next level to get to it.
Try to pop the foot like that. Once we do that, okay, then we can take this. Okay, they're
They're
fine
nice
like
and
that
calm.
they're
The
just
bees
busy
are
for that kind of thing.
happy.
Okay, now here's where this is the hive. Okay, and you see how crowded this is? This is crowded, and this is the middle of the day. All the worker bees are gone. So this is like really a lot of bees. Yeah. So they're getting really ready to
A lot of the bees are home.
swarm or move up into these jars. That's what
I don't
we're
think
trying
you
to
should
get.
have that whole thing, that whole section around there. I think you should just put the jars on top of that.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, I'll eliminate that temporarily. That's for the air.
I know it's too much.
All right. Okay, now what we want to do here is we're going to take a hive and a frame.
Pick up the whole thing.
So this is the way to
Yeah.
handle it. Okay, you see all the bees in here?
Oh.
So I'm going to just move this down real slow. And they'll get out of the way. If I go too fast, I'll crush them. Then they'll get upset. Yeah. Okay, now here, I want them a little away. So I can do this. Yeah. You see how they all go down in? That's what I want to do. It's a hive tool, yeah.
Amazing! Look at all those bees.
Okay.
Ah. Did you eat some honey? Cool.
All that white,
Yeah?
all the white is honey.
All the white that you see is honey. I'm gonna come in and close it.
All this white stuff.
Those are the honey.
Yeah.
Good honey bees.
Okay. Now this, you can just set this like this.
So, I'm not wearing any protection. I'm really close by. But with them, they're closed up.
Yeah. Now they only live in the summer 4 to 6 weeks. So this guy might be just plain dying.
That's pretty dramatic.
Okay.
Maybe you just got water on yourself and done.
Yeah. He may be, once he gets dry, he'll be all right. Maybe. Okay. So, squirt here just lightly.
Is it heavier?
It's
More honey. It's heavy. Got all those honey on there. Wow. Bees, but what white are the honey?
Oh, look, they're building an
The
extra
heavier.
See the queen anywhere?
I don't see the queen up in here.
No.
But this,
They're already busy. When they do that,
This
is
you
it
wanna-
because
you don't want them to do this. So you take that kind of stuff off.
okay? Can you put it in the jar?
That'll attract the bees. Yeah, we can put it, yeah, we could put it, just dump it in a
Okay.
jar. That's a good idea.
Decide which jar to dump it in.
Yeah. Let's see what. Wow.
And they'll put the queen in that part.
Let's see it up close.
What they do also, give me that little stick there under the brush, is they'll dig holes that'll go from
One to the other.
one
so
to
that
the
they
other.
can
So
go-
they actually, instead of going up and
passageways.
around, they'll sometimes tunnel all the way through.
Just show everything.
Okay, here, you want to hold it? Come on.
Okay, Gabriel, I got to hold it.
Okay, just pick up the frame on the side. Okay, it's a little heavy.
Like this?
Yeah, just pick it up. Wrap your finger around it a little bit. That's it. So you got a good hold on it.
Happy thing, ha! And hold the vein.